Vicente, gold medalist. Sabrina Montana for the category B, gold medalist. For category C, for information to everyone, all gold medalists are qualifiers for the provincial meet on February 27, 28, and March 1. Coach, Ma'am Jen Alaman. Ma'am Jen, please join our
Okay, sige, palakpakan natin si